Hello dear children, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we will start with our new chapter, chapter 17, How We Travel. Today our learning objectives are what is traveling, means of transport and land transport. So let's start with what is traveling. Travel is the activity of going from one place to another place. When a person makes the same trip every day to work or school, this type of traveling is usually called commuting. We walk down when we have to travel very short distances. We use our vehicles like a car, bus, or a train when we need to travel long distances. Vehicles are also required to carry goods from one place to another. The choice of the vehicle to be used depends on the distance. It also depends on its availability and fare. Now we will discuss about means of transport. The vehicles that we use for traveling from one place to another are called means of transport. In olden times, people had to walk for several days to reach their destination. It was very tiring. Then they learned to tame and use animals like horses, donkeys, camels, etc. for traveling and carrying loads. When the wheel was invented, traveling became much easier. Wheels were used to make carts. These carts were driven by animals. As you can see in the pictures, people also used rafts made of logs of wood to travel by water. Boats made from coconut and palm leaves were used by fishermen to float on rivers and seas. These days we have fast running vehicles like motorcycles, cars, buses and motorboats etc. With time, traveling has become more comfortable and less time taking. Means of transport are of three kinds: land transport, water transport and air transport. So, let's start with land transport. Land transport is the most commonly used means of transport. Motorbikes, buses, trucks, scooters, etc. are some means of land transport. Trains are used to travel long distances. They move on specially made tracks called rails. In some hilly areas, there are slow speed trains which carry people around. They are also known as toy trains. Cities like Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata have the most modern means of transport. Here, the metro rails are used by the people to travel within the city. In Kolkata, the metro rail runs under the ground for most of the distance. Mumbai has the newly introduced monorail for traveling within the city. Students, do you know some vehicles have a red or blue light fitted at the top of their roofs? Ambulance, fire engines and police cars are some of them. The blinking lights indicates that these vehicles need to be given way to move before others. Here you can see some images of land transport like ambulance, truck, bus, motorbike, fire engine and metro train etc. I hope you all understood today's topic. The remaining part will be continued in our next video. Thank you.